All are welcome to this my channel. Today is my third lecture on time and distance. We have already said that the speed is equal to distance over time. Today's our topic is on now trains, and here is a question. A train of length 1200 meter crosses a pillar or a man in 1 minute 20 seconds. Find the speed of the train. Here we are given the length means distance is given this meter, and we have also given time t is equal to 1 minute 20 seconds means 80 seconds. Now we have to find the speed. Then speed is equal to distance over time. It means the speed of the train will be 15 meter per second. This was the question. Now we take next question. Now in this question, a train of length 1500 meter is running with a speed 40 meter per second. What is the time taken to cross a bridge of length 500 meter? Bridge. There will be bridge. There will be a platform, etc. Now we have to find the time taken to cross this bridge or cross the platform. Here we have given distance 15 meter, distance plus 500 meters. The 1500 meters, 500 meter total distance, it is 2000 meter. This is the distance, and speed is given. Speed is 40 meter per second. We have to find time. The time is equal to distance over speed. Distance over speed, distance is 2000 over speed is this. Now the answer will be 50 seconds. Here we have added the length of the train plus the length of the bridge or the platform. This is the total length, it is the total distance, and speed is given. We have determined the time taken to cross the bridge or the platform. Now we take the next question. In this third question, a train of length 1800 meter is running with a speed of 1 kilometer per minute and crosses a bridge in 3 minutes. Find the length of the bridge. Here we have given distance, length of the train and length of the bridge, and this is the speed and this is the time. Now we have first what is the length, total distance. It is equal to total distance. It is equal to this plus length of the distance. Length of the bridge is x. We have total distance 1800 plus x. Now speed, it is equal to 1 kilometer per minute means 1000 meter per minute, and t is also given 3 minutes. The train is in meter, length of the train in meter, length of the bridge in also in meter. We have converted the speed kilometer to into meters. Now we have speed, distance, time. Now we find the distance. Distance, this, it is equal to speed into time. Speed is this, time is this is equal to 3000. We have to find x. X is equal to this minus this. It is equal to 1200 meters. This is the length of the bridge. Now we take the next question. Now in this question, the question fourth, two trains of length 1800 meter and 1600 meters are running with the speed of 40 meter per second and 30 meter per second respectively in the same direction. Find time taken to cross each other. Two trains, they are running towards the same direction. The speed of the train is this. Speed of the train is this. Here's the length of the train is this. Here is the length of the train. We have to find time taken to cross each other. Now here we have first what is the relative speed. Relative speed when the trains are running in the same direction, then the relative speed it is equal to this minus this is equal to 10 meters per second. Total distance, this is speed, and total distance it is the trains are going in the same direction. The total distance it is equal to the length of sum of the length of the two trains. This plus this is equal to 3400 meters. Now we have speed, we have distance. We can find the time to cross each other. What is time? This equal to distance over speed. And distance is this, speed is this. It means the time is 340 seconds. 340 seconds is can be converted into minutes. Divide this by 60. We will get 17 by 3 minutes. The time is 17 by 3 minutes to cross each other. The trains going in the same direction. Relative speed becomes total of the speeds, and the distance is the sum of the length of two trains. Now we take the next question. Now this is the last question. The question number 5 is the last question of this lecture. In this question is two trains of length 800 meter and 700 meters are running with the speed of 30 meter per second and 45 meter per second in the opposite direction. Find the time taken to cross each other. Find the time taken to cross each other. Here the trains are running in the opposite direction. When the train are going in the same direction, here the relative speed was the difference of the two speeds, was difference of two speeds. And when the train are going in the opposite direction, here the relative speed is equal to sum of the two speeds of the two trains. Sum of the speeds of two trains. Now here the speeds are 30 and 45 meters. Total distance, this plus this, 1500 meter. Speed, it is equal to this plus this, 75 meters per second. We have to find the time. What is time? Time from this formula, it is distance over speed. Distance over speed. Distance is this, speed is this. So we have 20 seconds. The train will take 20 seconds to cross each other. Here it is clear. When the trains are going in the opposite directions, the relative speed is the sum of the speeds. If the trains are going in the same direction, the relative speed is the difference of their speeds. So this was the lecture today. All the friends are requested to like and share this video and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.